Imagine a world without YouTube. No skip ad button, no cat videos, no how to fix life in 10 easy steps tutorials. Just silence. Okay, maybe not silence, because TikTok would be in the corner yelling, "Hey, look at me instead." Let's rewind to 2004. You want to share a video with your friend, but where? You had to email it. "Hey bro, check this 25 megabyte attachment." Error sound, file too large. The internet back then was like a boring classroom with no teacher. No creators and no comments. Just weird dancing babies and painful slow memes. Then boom, 2005, YouTube appears. Suddenly, the internet found its voice. If YouTube never existed, where would your favorite creators be? MrBeast? Still giving away money, but in a Walmart parking lot. Last person to leave this shopping cart wins, my respect. PewDiePie? Probably yelling at chairs in an IKEA showroom. Mark Rober? Building rocket-powered toasters in his garage and confusing his neighbors. YouTube didn't just give us entertainment, it gave weird geniuses a home. Without YouTube, we'd all be slightly dumber. Because let's be honest, half of us graduated from the University of YouTube. How to tie a tie? YouTube. How to fix Wi-Fi? YouTube. How to stop procrastinating while watching YouTube? Oops. YouTube turned random strangers into professors. A chef in Japan taught you about eggs. A kid in India taught you quantum physics. A mechanic in Brazil taught you how to fix your scooter using a spoon. No YouTube, no global classroom, just global confusion. Now imagine the economy without YouTube. No creators, no ad revenue, no sponsor segment voice. That money wouldn't go to TV, it'd probably end up funding more reality shows, like Extreme Parking Wars. And all those creators who earn from videos, they'd be working 9-to-5 jobs saying, "Boss, should I make the PowerPoint viral?" YouTube didn't just create jobs, it created dreams that pay bills. And let's not forget, YouTube is culture. Without it, there'd be no Charlie Bit My Finger, no Gangnam Style, no MrBeast thumbnails where everything's exploding. Memes would vanish, music trends gone, unboxing videos extinct, and that guy who whispers for ASMR, he'd just be a very strange man at your library. YouTube didn't just entertain us, it gave the internet a sense of humor and some questionable dance moves. YouTube made creativity global. A person with Wi-Fi and an idea could reach millions. Before YouTube, being famous meant Hollywood. After YouTube, it meant your living room, a ring light, and the courage to say, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." Without it, the internet would still be a dull encyclopedia. YouTube made it a theme park of chaos and curiosity. Maybe without YouTube, we'd go outside more, touch grass, read books, talk to humans. But let's be real. 5 minutes later, we'd be like, "Wait, how do you actually touch grass?" And go searching for the tutorial that doesn't exist. YouTube didn't just change entertainment. It changed education, careers, culture, and us. It turned the world into a stage where anyone could hit upload. So next time your video buffers or you see your favorite creator say, "Don't forget to like and subscribe," maybe just for a second, say, "Thanks YouTube," and please like, share, and subscribe.